guys, so we are super excited, except for her. She's over there barely awake. She drove all night. We are going after our new truck, and it has been a long time waited for. We've been working on this deal for weeks now, trying to find another truck, get something that we wanted that met all of our needs. And this truck we're heading for is the winner. So yeah, we're super excited to be finally going after it and getting moved out of the Mack and into our new truck. Also have a new trailer purchase. It's going to be a 5307 Cottrell. The truck we're going after is in Sawyer, Kansas, and we drove till almost 5 a.m. this morning from Spencer, Tennessee to about Ozark, Arkansas. So we still have looks like about 356 miles to go today, and get our new truck picked up, and then we're going to drop down to just south of Dallas and rescue a buddy that's broke down, blew his engine. He's driving a dually and a wedge trailer, so we're just going to hook up to his wedge and put his truck up on the back of it and pull him back to Tennessee. So start life off right with a new truck, rescuing a friend. Anyway, so as you can see,
got a really nice road.
Cruising down the road in a pretty nice little Nissan Altima rental car that we've also got to put on the trailer and haul back to Cookeville, Tennessee. As soon as we get the truck back, we've got to take it to the sign shop and get it lettered. Got to get moved into it. So we've got a full week ahead of us this week, and hope to be pulling out with our first load, pulling out of Spencer Monday morning to go over to South Carolina to pick up our new trailer, and from there getting a new load, possibly something short running up into the Maryland area, and then from Maryland out towards Phoenix. Got a load of ATF vehicles up there. One of our repeat customers, they want us to take 4 Hyundai Sonatas out to Phoenix, along with whatever else we can find at that point. So anyway, good stuff.
I failed my CDL test again, y'all.
Yeah, that alley doc's a booger. Got her twice now.
Car hauling is a forward playing sport.
Yeah, we don't do a lot of backing in car hauling. Plus, she's like, nah, I don't need to practice. I'm like,
I was gonna
yeah,
practice.
you should probably
I
practice.
was going to practice Monday morning, but I had a migraine brought on by unfortunate events.
So no practicing, no pass. But what's Dad know, you know?
I practiced for 8 hours the other day and still failed the test, y'all.
But she made progress. And right after she failed the test, the tester said, hey, why don't you go out there and practice? I don't have anybody scheduled. So she went out there and backed the trailer into the alley dock 3 times in a row successfully. Did it just beautifully once the stress was off. So I told her she definitely needs to practice some more. But no practice.
We were at home all week. I was busy.
Busy.
Yes.
Well, y'all come along for the ride. Let's go find our new truck. So guys, we are still on the road. She finally woke up over there and decided she wanted to drive for a bit.
I slept for an hour and a half.
Anyway, finally woke up after an hour and a half.
Slept for 4
So we
and a
just
half
checked with
hours
the
last night.
truck dealer, and the bank has still not sent the money, and we are 84 miles away.
It's literally the story of our life.
It's always something. So hoping they get all that straightened out before we get there, because we really don't want to have to just sit there and wait. We've already been waiting for weeks to get all this sorted out. The trip goes on. at that excited face. We are 26 miles from picking up the new truck, and it's still not paid for.
We're probably going to be in a hotel tonight.
But she's still so excited.
I almost didn't get to come on this trip. I was kind of sad.
She likes big trucks. It's her inferiority complex.
Size does not matter to me.
We're getting close. Maybe it'll be paid for by the time we get there. Say hi. So we finally got the money transferred, got all our paperwork done, and picked up our new truck. And we just felt like the one we've been driving was too big and had a lot of wasted space, and we just really didn't need something so big. So we decided to get this Volvo because they got all these really nice small sleepers or small cabs, and of course the additional sleeper space back here. I think we went the wrong way. I think we ended up going bigger instead of smaller. Oh well, my tape measure's broke. Or I can't read a tape, I'm not sure. Anyway, we are headed out to go pick up our buddy that's broke down and get this truck back to Tennessee for some lettering and hit the road. Y'all come along for the ride. So welcome aboard the Mobile Command Unit. As you can see, we are eating our humble supper. She's over there trying really, really hard to ignore the camera.
I just want to know how you get this to work.
So we're having all sorts of fun trying to figure out all the things about our new truck here. Oh look, she found a new toy.
It's kind of cool. Too bad that's not going to block the sunlight. Well, I'm sleeping on the floor, so I guess I don't really have to worry about it. You the one who's going to worry about the sunlight.
Lots of fun stuff. Alright, here's the cockpit, leather seats, I-shift, 12-speed transmission, another leather seat, nice cleanable vinyl floors, which I really like, cabinet space up top, CB radio, more cabinet space. Turn around facing backwards, here's the house. Vinyl floors, a nice soft mat for standing on and do the dishes. Drawers for clothes. I guess that's a 32-inch flat screen TV. DVD player, dish network, lots of cabinet space, speaker, 2-burner cook stove, more drawers, under counter storage, all the control panel with the blue accent lighting. Bought this to be Sarah's bed, but she's probably going to kick me out of that one and make me sleep on this one. Anyway, kitchen sink, medicine cabinet, majorly big cabinet there and over there, deep one that goes all the way to the floor there, dual cabinet there, hanging clothes, shoes, temperature control panel for the back, more storage up top, convection oven, grill, anyway, and microwave, freezer, nice large refrigerator, temperature control, bring it to bed with you, control the temperature. And the really cool part, bathroom, shower, soap dispenser, mirror. Anyway, and that bed right there folds up easily. Once you make the bed, it just folds up. The latch is on that latch right there, and that's a table with 2 seats. 4 people could sit there if they weren't very big and be comfortable. Rooftop air condition that works really well. Vent fan. Not working, have to figure that out. Anyway, get out here real quick and show you the outside. Chicken lights on the back. All LED.
Y'all, I can't get away from blowouts. Sunlight. Blowout.
Okay guys, so we are in Alabama. On the side of the road, as you can see. And we're in the middle of doing this rescue here of our friend Lucas, who's going to be driving for us. So we've got his wedge trailer, our rental car, and his blown up Dodge Ram, what I like to call a toy truck. And continuing the tradition that we've been going through here, check it out. It just wouldn't seem right to complete a trip without a blowout. And turns out he doesn't have a bottle jack. And we don't have any of our tools with us in the new truck yet. So, we're gonna see if we can do a little improvising here. Check it out, guys. So, it turns out we didn't have the proper tools to change the tires on the side of the road. And we were only about 2 miles from the oil station. So, we eased on up here. And the guys here were nice enough to loan us a impact. And I'm not going to name which location we're at because I don't want these great guys getting in trouble for loaning us this tool. But they're great folks. So, we're on our way to changing this tire. The problem is right now we don't have a jack, so we're going to try pulling up on this board right here and see if it lifts high enough to get that tire off the ground. And maybe we're high enough, but I'm not sure. We'll see here in a minute. Faster than a race car pit crew. Okay, maybe not quite that fast. I think we're gonna have to let a little air out of that tire to get it on. So we're close but not quite. You know what they say, close only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades. But man, that is really, really close. Look at that. But he's gonna see about borrowing a bottle jack, so we should be up and rolling here in a minute. Check it out. I just put that tire on an angle, slid the bottom under a little farther, and managed to get it on. Tell she's done that before. And another successful tire change completed. Well, we successfully delivered our friend Lucas to his house about midnight last night. After the blowout, a little bit of a delay there, but it was just kind of cool how everything worked out. He did have to sit and wait a few days for us, but as it turned out, he met a Vietnam veteran by the name of Dave Clark. Good name too, by the way. And they talked for a couple days at the little service station that Lucas was close to, and Dave would take him back and forth to the motel at night and then bring him back to his truck during the day. And after a couple days, Dave just took him home with him, and he spent about a week with him, waiting on us to be able to go pick our truck up and then drive down to Ferris, Texas from Sawyer, Kansas, where we got the truck, and tow him from, well, not tow him, but put his truck on the back of his trailer along with our rental car and pull him back to his house in Hazel Green, Alabama. Saved him a tremendous tow bill. We also helped him finish delivering the couple of vehicles that he had on his truck, so he didn't lose any money there. And it was just really nice how the timing worked out. Lucas is a Christian, and as am I, and we believe that God takes care of us. You know, when in our hour of need, God is there and provides a way. And I'm blessed that that God used me to bless Lucas and his family. So anyway, like I said, got him dropped off last night, and we are dropping the rental car off. Paperwork Princess is right there ahead of me. Coming through McMinnville, Tennessee. I'm gonna drop that little rental car off up in Cookeville at the Nissan dealer and come back to the house. Let's see. Check engine light. Truck's been asking for a parked regen several times a day. The DPF filter is stopped up. So we're going to pull it down in the shop Monday and get that system cleaned up. Hopefully that all goes well. Tuesday the truck goes in the shop at the sign shop to get all of the lettering put on the side of it, and we're hoping to pick it up Wednesday and hit the road. Sunday, I've got to run over to South Carolina, just a little ways south of Asheville, and pick up our trailer, bring it back Sunday evening. I have a little bit of lettering that's going to go on the trailer as well. So hopefully by Wednesday we will have a completed truck ready to go, be moved into it, have everything cleaned out of the Mack, and start our grand adventure in this little truck. So we'll keep you updated. Okay guys, so we are moving into our new truck. As you can see, we are tearing the old Mack apart, and we've got the other truck parked right here next to us. So I'm jumping across from one truck to the other while Sarah's packing stuff away into cabinets over there. I think we're going to have enough room to move in, but this old truck was pretty full. Still have all of this up top to get that shelf, these shelves, those shelves. Bunch of junk to clean out. Always fun to move, right? Well guys, we picked the trailer up, and everything hooked up good. Lights all worked. Nice, shiny, clean trailer, well maintained. I got so excited about it we forgot to do any videoing while we were there. But we went up the road to the pilot, grabbed some lunch, and we're headed back to the shop to finish up a few little odds and ends, get the lettering put on, a few little maintenance issues on the truck, and hopefully by Thursday this week be out getting loaded. So we'll see. Hey guys, so we're down here at Signorama. Trying to get it where you can see the sign in there on the side of the building. But anyway, we are excited. This guy did a fantastic job with the lettering on our truck, and we're getting ready to go hook up to our trailer, add some lettering to the trailer, and then we are headed for Smyrna, Tennessee to pick up a load of Nissans, and from there we're going to be taking them up to Mechanicsville, Virginia. From Mechanicsville, Virginia, we'll have about a 140-mile deadhead up to Annapolis Junction, Maryland, where we're going to pick up a load of vehicles for the ATF and take them down to Phoenix. So check this out. Right up there. And we'll have just a little bit more lettering that goes up there. I don't know, I can't see where I'm pointing in the video, but anyway, up there on that top little air dam balance, whatever that is, that sits up on top of the truck with the lights on it. But it's too greasy. We actually left the diesel cap off the tank when we fueled up the other day, and when you're going down the road, the air will suck that diesel out, and it kind of made a mess at the back of the truck, and so I got to get it washed. But anyway, once it's washed, we've got just a little bit more lettering to go on the back. But anyway, super excited, getting ready to hit the road, and paperwork prints up there messing with me. So we'll keep you updated.